Which country hosted the 19th G20 summit in 2024? Option A India, Option B Brazil, Option C Australia, Option D China. The correct answer is Option B Brazil. Which country hosted the 16th BRICS summit in 2024? Correct answer is Option D Russia. Who has been appointed as the new governor of Maharashtra? Correct answer is Option A C.P. Radhakrishnan. The bilateral maritime exercise SIMBEX was conducted between India and which country? Correct answer is Option C Singapore. Who won the women's singles title in the US Open Tennis Tournament 2024? Correct answer is Option A Aryna Sabalenka. Who has been appointed as the next permanent representative of India to the United Nations? Right answer is Option A Parvathaneni Harish. Where was the world's first nuclear energy summit held recently? Correct answer is Option B Brussels, Belgium. Paul Kagame was sworn in as the president of which country? Correct answer is Option B Rwanda. What is the new name for Port Blair? Correct answer is Option C Sri Vijayapuram. Which state has been honored with the Best Agriculture State Award for 2024? Correct answer is Option A Maharashtra. Kharchi Puja is celebrated in which state of India? Correct answer is Option C Tripura. India received the highest FDI from which country in 2023-24? Correct answer is Option C Singapore. Which state has been chosen to host the 38th National Games? Correct answer is Option B Uttarakhand. Which Indian received the Whitley Gold Award 2024? Correct answer is Option A Purnima Devi Burman. Guru Ghasidas Damo Pingla Tiger Reserve is located in which state? Correct answer is Option B Chhattisgarh. Who has become the new president of ICJ, International Court of Justice? Correct answer is Option A Nawaf Salam of Lebanon. Nicolas Maduro has been elected as the president of which country? Correct answer is Option C Venezuela. Who won the Booker Prize 2024 for her novel, Orbital, in 2024? Correct answer is Option B Samantha Harvey. Which of the following is approved by the Chhattisgarh government as India's third largest tiger reserve? Correct answer is option D, Guru Ghasidas Tamo Pingla Tiger Reserve. Which country will host the SCO summit in 2025? Correct answer is option C, China. Khelo India Youth Games 2025 will be held in which state? Correct answer is option D, Bihar. Who was sworn in as Mexico's first female president in 2024? Correct answer is option B, Claudia Sheinbaum. Who was recently declared as the winner of the Pritzker Architecture Prize 2024? Correct answer is option A, Riken Yamamoto. Exercise Pitch Black 2024 has been conducted between India with which country? Correct answer is option C, Australia. India will host the Quad Leaders Summit in. Correct answer is option B, 2025. Sanji Craft recently got a GI tag, belongs to which state? Correct answer is option B, Uttar Pradesh. Who has been recently appointed as the chairman of the 16th Finance Commission? Correct answer is option A, Arvind Panagria. The Shinkunla Tunnel, world's highest tunnel, is being constructed in. Correct answer is option B, Ladakh. Which country will host the 2026 Commonwealth Games? Correct answer is option D, Glasgow, Scotland. Who has been appointed as the new national ambassador for UNICEF India? Correct answer is option B, Kareena Kapoor Khan. Who has been appointed as the Director General of All India Radio? Correct answer is option B, Maushami Chakravarti. World Animal Welfare Day 2024 was celebrated on. Correct answer is option C, the 4th of October. Who has taken oath as the first Chief Minister of UT of Jammu and Kashmir? Correct answer is option A, Omar Abdullah. Who won the title of 73rd Miss Universe 2024? Correct answer is option B, Victoria Athewig. Who has been honored with the prestigious Pen Pinter Prize 2024 for her unflinching and unswerving writings? Correct answer is option B, Arundhati Roy. Who has been reappointed as the Chief of the Intelligence Bureau in 2024? Correct answer is option C, Tapan Kumar Decker. Who is the flag bearer of the Indian contingent at the opening ceremony at the Paris Paralympics 2024? Correct answer is option B, Bhagyashree Jadhav and Sumit Antil. Who has become the first woman Director General of the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, CSIR? Right answer is option D N Kalasalvi. Who has taken oath as the Chief Justice of Jharkhand High Court? Correct answer is option C M.S. Ramachandra Rao. Who has been appointed as the next Chief of the Naval Staff? Correct answer is option B Dinesh Kumar Tripathi. Who among the following recently took charge as Defense Secretary? Right answer is option B Rajesh Kumar Singh. Who is the author of the book Kargil War, The Turning Point? Right answer is option A Colonel M.B. Ravindranath. Which tiger reserve is declared as India's 57th Tiger Reserve? Correct answer is option B Ratapani Wildlife Sanctuary. Which ministry recently launched the Civil Registration System mobile application to integrate technology with governance? Correct answer is option A Ministry of Home Affairs. Nanjarayan and Kazuveli bird sanctuaries get Ramsar site tags recently, are located in which state? Correct answer is option A Tamil Nadu. Who has been awarded the Pulitzer Prize 2024 for fiction? Correct answer is option B Jane Annie Phillips, for her novel Night Watch. Ningol Chakkuba festival is celebrated in which state? Correct answer is option B Manipur. Netumbo Nandi Andetwa has been elected as the first female president of which country? Correct answer is option A Namibia. Which country named cyclone Phengal that recently hit the eastern coast of India? Correct answer is option C Saudi Arabia. Which organization recently released the International Debt Report 2024? Correct answer is option A World Bank. Who is the current Secretary General of the United Nations? Correct answer is option D Antonio Guterres. Who has been appointed as the Chairman and CEO of Railway Board? Correct answer is option B Satish Kumar. Who has been re-elected as the first woman Director General of WTO? Correct answer is option B Dr. Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala. Typhoon Kongray has hit which country recently? Correct answer is option A Taiwan. Exercise Garuda Shakti 24 is conducted between India and which country? Correct answer is option D, Indonesia. Where was the Vietnam-India bilateral army exercise, WinBAX 2024 conducted? Correct answer is option A, Ambala, Haryana. Where was the first Bodoland Mahotsav inaugurated recently? Correct answer is option C, New Delhi. As per WHO, India has recently eliminated which of the following disease as a public health problem? Correct answer is option D, trachoma. World Rainforest Day 2024 is celebrated on? Correct answer is option A, June 22nd. Lawrence Wong has been sworn as the new Prime Minister of which country? Right answer is option B, Singapore. Which country hosted the 2024 World Economic Forum? Correct answer is option C, Switzerland. Who among the following has been recently appointed as the new president of Sri Lanka? Correct answer is option A, Anura Kumara Dasanayake. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of Employees State Insurance Corporation? Correct answer is option B, Ashok Kumar Singh. The joint military exercise, Lamatier 2024, was conducted between India and which country? Correct answer is option D, Seychelles. Duma Boko has been elected as the president of which country? Correct answer is option B, Botswana. Which of the following is India's recently commissioned second nuclear-powered ballistic missile submarine? Right answer is option B, INS Arighat. Cherido Medam becomes the 43rd UNESCO World Heritage Site in India, is located in which state? Correct answer is option B, Assam. Who won men's single title in tennis in the Paris Olympics 2024? Correct answer is option A, Novak Djokovic. Who won the Indira Gandhi Prize for Peace, Disarmament and Development for 2023? Correct answer is option B, Daniel Barenboim and Ali Abu Awad. India's first green hydrogen fueling station has been established in which city? Correct answer is option C, Leh, Ladakh. Where was the Asia Pacific Economic Summit 2024 held? Correct answer is option B, Lima, Peru. Where was the Bonn Climate Conference 2024 held? Right answer is option B, Germany. Who has been appointed as the 51st Chief Justice of India? Correct answer is option C, Justice Sanjeev Khanna. Jai Shah, the secretary of BCCI, is said to become the youngest chairman of which organization? Correct answer is option A, International Cricket Council (ICC). Dr. Padma Subramaniam was honored with the Padma Vibhushan in which of the following fields? Right answer is option C, art. Which country won the Women's Asian Hockey Champions Trophy 2024? Right answer is option C, India. Asia's largest open-air trade fair Bali Jatra is celebrated in which state? Correct answer is option B, Orissa. Sea Vigil 24 is a defense exercise conducted by which country? Correct answer is option C, India. The centre government has approved the development of Kamur Wildlife Sanctuary as a tiger reserve. It's located in which state? Correct answer is option C, Bihar. Which of the following countries will host the first ever Kho-Kho World Cup in 2025? Correct answer is option A, India. The country's first Hindi literary museum was in which city? Correct answer is option C, Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. Who was conferred with the prestigious Nelson Mandela Lifetime Achievement Award? Correct answer is option B, Vinod Ganatra. The Medaram Jatara, the largest tribal festival, is celebrated in which state? Correct answer is option D, Telangana. Which state topped the State Food Safety Index 2024? Correct answer is option A, Kerala. Which Indian has been selected for the Goldman Environmental Prize 2024? Right answer is option C, Alok Shukla. Who has been appointed as the Secretary General of NATO 2024? Correct answer is option B, Mark Rutte. Who is the author of the book Power Within: The Leadership Legacy of Narendra Modi? Correct answer is option C, Dr. R. Balasubramaniam. Which country recently became a new member of the BRICS New Development Bank in September 2024? Correct answer is option A, Algeria. Who is the first Indian left-arm spinner to take 300 Test wickets? Correct answer is option B, Ravindra Jadeja. Who is appointed as the new CAG of India? Correct answer is option B, Ka Sanjay Murthy. Dharchola handicraft, which has recently received a GI tag, belongs to which state? Correct answer is option C, Gujarat. SMILE, Support for Marginalized Individuals for Livelihood and Enterprise, is a central sector scheme launched by which ministry? Correct answer is option C, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Who has been awarded the Indira Gandhi Peace Prize 2024? Correct answer is option A, Michelle Bachelet. Indian Navy Day is observed annually on which day? Correct answer is option C, the 4th of December. Who has been appointed as the 26th governor of RBI? Correct answer is option B, Sanjay Malhotra. Igas Bagwa is a traditional folk festival of which state? Correct answer is option A, Uttarakhand. Who won the women's singles title at the Syed Modi International Badminton Tournament 2024? Correct answer is option D, PV Sindhu. Exercise Sinbax is recently conducted between which two countries? Correct answer is option C, India and Cambodia. National Pollution Control Day is observed on which day in India? Correct answer is option B, December 2nd. Which female footballer won the Women's Ballon d'Or Award 2024? Correct answer is option C, Aitana Bonmati. Now, your test question is, Kristina Piskova, who recently won Miss World 2024 title, belongs to which country? Share your answer in the comment section below and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.